the guy right across the street that just pops you for $25. We also do a $49 chiropractic special, Discovery for Chiropractic. We're going to do the exam, consultation, x-rays if needed, and then we'll do a treatment with you. And then we'll go over a care plan, what you're going to need to do to get this actually corrected instead of just putting a Band-Aid on it. Because, I don't want somebody just coming in here like taking a pill, like, oh, I'm hurting right here, just pop it and I'll feel better. Yeah, but look at your x-ray. Are they,
Yeah.
don't you want to correct this and get
Yeah.
years of life back? You don't want to just pop it and snap it. You can go to, the guy right across the street that just pops you for $25 and doesn't take an x-ray or anything if that's
Oh,
what you want to do. But we want to do a lot more than that. We
right.
want to actually change your life forever.